and you're watching the free run, or the free practice one, or the free practice of this NGO Philippines Super Fest. Mga dapat, yan yung mga nagpa-practice na yan, yung mga dapat yung abangan tomorrow. Sila magpapainit ng araw ng bukas. Look at the speed of NMAX. Grabe. Look at that speed. Parang pag dumaan dito partner sa harapan ko, parang bubuyog no? Grabe yung bibilis. Shout out Mr. Brian Torres from Biringan City. Shout out kay Totoy Bibo. Shout out sa lola ko na nanonood dyan from Vince Adrian. Look at how willy, or tingnan nyo naman paano mag-wheelie yung NMAX. Sobrang lakas. Yung mga aabangan nyo for tomorrow. 232cc. Whoa! Look at that. 232cc sa 402 meters. Yan po yung mga aabangan nyo for tomorrow's event. 402 meters yung event for tomorrow. Yes, yung stretch. Maglalaban-laban sila for tomorrow sa 402 meters stretch dito sa Batangas Racing Circuit. And right now on your screen is their free practice run.
Thank you, Aga.
Speed Mode Garage. Hello there. Shout out sa inyo. EJ Castro from Reynald Panganiban. Speed Mode Garage from Vince Adrian.